channel. Today we are doing a mini vlog about nature. Let's go! First we have up here are some pussy plants. I don't know the name. And then up here we have some ducks. So there's a gathering of ducks over there. The ducks are heading over there. Alright, so next we have this plant. It has thorns on it. No, it does not have thorns on it. So it's not a rose plant. We have leaves. No one likes leaves. Because leaves are very boring. The end. An unknown tree. All right. If we keep on going, we hit a pine tree. It's gigantic. I'm pretty sure that's not a pine tree. All right. We also have these leaves. They say poisonous plants have a 3-leaf pattern. So if it has a 3-leaf pattern, don't touch it. No. This over here is a 3-leaf pattern. Then don't touch it. Right here. Then don't touch it. All right.